So hey everyone, I'm Kelly from Dye DIY and I get asked a lot about soda ash. So how it works, how to use it, all the questions. And I've written a huge guide on my site, which is linked in the comments, which goes over exactly how it works and how you can use it. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a soda ash soaking solution so you can pre-soak your clothes and get them all ready to dye and know that your dye is going to bind really strongly to the fabric, because that's the whole point of soda ash, to help the dye bind. So let's get started. You'll need a container that holds at least 5 litres because we're going to mix up 4 litres of solution. I just use a plastic bucket. So first you pour in 1 litre of water. If you add the soda ash first, then it tends to clump and harden when you pour the water over, and it's a little bit harder to mix, so I start with the water. Now it's time to add your soda ash. So electric soda is the easiest way to buy here in Australia. It's available at most supermarkets, and you can see on the back that it's sodium carbonate, which is exactly what we want. Then add your 1 cup of soda ash. This isn't baking, so you don't have to be exact. A rough cup will do just fine. Once you've added it, give it a good stir, but don't expect it all to dissolve just yet. After that, I add 2 litres of boiling water. The heat makes the soda ash dissolve nice and easily, and then it's only a small amount of stirring until it's all mixed and there are no grains of soda ash visible. And then finally, I add 1 more litre of cold water, and it's ready. You've got your soda ash solution. So the ratio for this is 1 cup of soda ash to 4 litres of water. If you use Imperial, it's 1 cup of soda ash to a gallon of water. And I do know that a gallon isn't exactly 4 litres, but like I said, it's not baking, it's close enough, and it works just fine. So if you stick to that ratio, you'll do just fine. Now you can chuck in whatever you'd like to dye, make sure it's all completely saturated with the solution, and then leave it for at least 20 minutes. Then once it's sat for long enough, you can take it out. Make sure you wear gloves because soda ash can irritate your skin. Then you can either squeeze it out and use it straight away, or you can spin it in your washing machine, or you can dry it completely before dyeing. It is up to you and depends on the effect that you want. It all works. So I hope that's really clear and straightforward. It's all you need to start tie-dyeing, but if you want all the details and to really understand soda ash and how it works, then check out the blog post. After you read that, you'll be able to use it properly in all your dyeing and know that you're going to end up with really well-fixed and vibrant colours every single time. And while you wait for your dyes to set now, please check out my video about rinsing and washing tie-dye. It shows you step by step how to rinse and then wash your dyes for the first time to make sure the colours stay really bright and also that they're not going to rub off on everything else. But I've cut out all the fluff and the unnecessary steps that are commonly added on. I've done a bit of myth busting in there, so if you're interested in another really clear, straightforward tutorial, make sure you go and check that out. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and if you want to link any of your projects in the comments and show me, I would love to see them. Alright, happy tie-dyeing.